All right, kindergarten. Today we are going to be painting our paper with a Tigger hopper. Now, I love Tigger hoppers because you can do really cool things with them. I call them Tigger jumpers, Tigger hoppers, because you just kind of gently press on your paper. You hop, hop, hop. And I will show you how that works in just a little bit. We will be using Tigger hoppers to paint, not a paintbrush. We'll use the Tigger hopper to paint our paper for our pumpkins, because we are going to be making a pumpkin next week. But we have to paint our paper first. You will have the colors red and yellow. And just like we talked about on that color wheel, when we mix yellow and red, we get the color orange. So what we're going to do is, and that's going to create a really cool orange pumpkin. So first of all, I'm going to just kind of dip in my red. You can either dip in your red first or your yellow. It doesn't matter. And you're just going to press and hop all over your page. See how I'm hopping? I'm Tigger hopping all over my page. And that's okay. I'm leaving some white space in there. That's okay. All right. Now I'm going to pick up some of my yellow. And I'm going to Tigger hop all over my page until I have completely covered all my white. Now, if you notice, when I'm Tigger hopping on top of that red with my yellow, I am getting the color orange. So I'm kind of just mixing it on my paper. And I'm getting this really nice texture because pumpkins aren't really smooth. They have some texture. You want to make sure that you get all your white spaces. You don't want to leave any white spaces. So I'm going to keep on hopping, and I'm going to make sure I get my corners. You see how Miss Rucker's making sure she's Tigger hopping on her corners, on the edges. I don't want any of that white to show. And I'm really creating that really nice texture. I'm doing covering up all my white spaces. No white, Miss Rucker. No white. And it'll take you a little while to do, and that's okay. We're Tigger hopping. When you feel like you're running out of paint, you just want to pick up some more paint on your Tigger hopper. You just kind of dip it in there. Make sure you see I didn't get that corner up here. I want to make sure. Look at all my white. I want to Tigger bounce all my edges. And maybe I want to pick up a little more red. That's okay, because what's going to happen when I mix my red and my yellow? I'm going to get orange. And voila, I have painted my whole paper, and I didn't even have to use a cool paintbrush. I used a cool Tigger hopper. Let me get my white. Now, when you are done, you are going to bring me your whole mat to the drying rack. Don't bring me just your paper. Bring me your whole mat, bring it to the drying rack, get your wipe, take your mat back to the table, clean it off, clean your table, clean your hands, and next week your paper will be dry and we will be doing a pumpkin. We're going to cut out a pumpkin out of our beautiful textured orange paper. Okay, let's get started.